Call First Republic at 718-380-0006 and eliminate the middleman.
Right now, we do have to talk about people's lives and what's going on. And our economy is making everyone think harder than they probably have in the past about what's going on in their life. And that's why each and every day we bring First Republic Mortgage Bankers on the air, ladies and gentlemen, to give you some options, to implore you to take some action now, because as you see, things may have to go down a little further before they can come up. So let's try and make things better. Rajan, let's talk to us and Scott about...
seeing about what we were talking about, I think... talking about the love right now, I think too many people are loving the fact that it's very easy for them to use their credit cards. It's something that we talk about a lot, but it's free in a sense where you think to yourself, well, hey, I don't have cash in the bank. I don't have too much at home. So if I need to buy something, or I go out and I'm looking around and I see something, hey, I'll put it on the credit card. I'll use up the credit card. I'll charge it. And I'll worry about paying it down the line. Next month or the end of the month, I'll worry about paying it. And you know what? If anything, I'll pay the minimum fee on it. But it really is a problem because we get free-handed with it. It becomes so easy for us to fall back and use those credit cards, and we don't realize the long-term and even the immediate effect of what it is doing to us. And it's putting us in a place where we don't want to be, where we're going to be overwhelmed with credit card debts. When we start racking them up, and first, you take a look, and 1 month you might start out at $2,000, and by the end of the month you're at $5,000 or $7,000 because, hey, it just became so easy for you to start using that credit card. Everything you need, you start putting it on there. And it adds up. You start from 1 credit card to 2 to 3, and then you find yourself in problems because, hey, you racked up $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 in credit card. And the funny thing about it, Mona? Every person that I've refinanced, that we've paid off that amount of credit cards, they always say the same thing. They don't know how it happened and how it came about. But folks, we understand. And the truth is, it happens because it becomes a habit. It becomes a habit where it's very easy for you to start using it. And guess what? Who is making money off of you? The credit card companies. They're loving it.
Of course.
They love the fact that you're using that because guess what? You're going to pay them a ton of interest. And you're the one that ends up losing in the long run because you end up paying unnecessary amounts of interest and money to these people that you probably ended up using your credit card maybe for buying things that you didn't need or unnecessary things. And you find yourself at the end of the day compromising paying your mortgage payment or your car loan or sometimes your kids' loans just so that you can pay off your credit cards or make payments on your credit cards. That is not the way to live. We want to annihilate those credit cards. And First Republic offers programs where we can refinance your home.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.